What if I told you that the words you speak every single day are either attracting or repelling wealth and success? Yes, the language we use has a direct impact on our lives. Stay with me, because in today's video, I'm about to reveal how you can literally speak your way to wealth. These aren't just feel-good affirmations. This is the science of words, vibration, and manifestation. Are you ready to change the way you talk and change your life? Let's get into it. So let's talk about the foundation of all of this, the science behind words. Words are not just sounds or letters strung together. They carry energy and have the power to influence your thoughts, emotions, and the actions you take. Have you ever noticed how the words you speak can change the energy of a room? Or how you feel uplifted when you say something positive? You see, every word we speak sends out a vibration. Positive words carry high vibrations. Words like abundance, wealth, success, and gratitude. These align us with the frequency of what we desire. Negative words like struggle, lack, or impossible do the opposite. They lower our vibrations and block us from receiving the wealth and success we deserve. The key is to recognize the words you're using on a daily basis and rewire your language to match the abundance you want in your life. Here's how you can start. The first step is to identify and eliminate words that block wealth from flowing into your life. Think about it. When you say things like, "I can't afford that," or "money doesn't come easily," what are you really doing? You're programming your mind and the universe to believe that money is scarce and hard to get. Start paying attention to these limiting words. Every time you catch yourself saying them, stop and replace them with positive alternatives. Instead of, "I can't afford that," say, "I'm choosing not to invest in that right now." Instead of "money is hard to come by," say, "money flows to me easily and abundantly." When you make this shift, you're telling your subconscious mind and the universe that you're ready for wealth to come into your life. And trust me, it will. Now let's move on to one of the most powerful tools you can use, affirmations. Affirmations are short, positive statements that you repeat consistently to reprogram your subconscious mind. Think of them as commands you're giving to your brain to align your beliefs with your desires. Here are a few of my favorites. I am a magnet for money. Wealth is my birthright. I attract opportunities for success, and I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. Affirmations work because they help you override any negative programming you might have picked up over the years. When you say these words consistently, you're training your mind to believe them. And once your subconscious believes it, it will start manifesting in your life. The next step is to start speaking your desires into existence. This goes beyond affirmations. This is about declaring what you want as if it's already happening. Speak with confidence and conviction. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I am successful." Instead of, "I hope to attract wealth," say, "I am a wealth magnet and opportunities are flowing to me now." This method is rooted in the law of assumption, assuming that what you want is already yours. The more you speak these words with certainty, the more your subconscious mind and the universe start aligning to make it your reality. Here's a bonus tip: gratitude. Speaking words of gratitude daily can supercharge your manifestation powers. Gratitude shifts your energy to a place of abundance, which attracts even more abundance. Start each day by expressing gratitude for the wealth you have and the wealth that's on its way. The more you express gratitude for the blessings in your life, the more the universe will bring you to be grateful for. Before we wrap up, I want to share a tool that can take your manifestation journey even further: the Manifest app. With this app, you can set clear goals, use visualization tools, track affirmations, and even keep a gratitude journal, all in one place. With the Manifest app, you can program your mind for wealth and success on a daily basis. Download it today and start manifesting your dream life. So there you have it. The power of words is truly incredible, and now you know how to use your language to attract wealth and success. Remember, eliminate limiting words. Use affirmations to reprogram your mind. Speak your desires into existence, and always practice gratitude. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to this channel for more content on manifesting the life you desire. You have the power to speak your way to wealth, So start today. Until next time, stay positive, keep manifesting, and watch how the universe responds to the words you speak.